Today we're making a nutritious and delicious breakfast recipe. We're making a Masoor Dal Chilla with a stuffing which is really interesting. Let's see how it's done. We're going to start by preparing the Masoor Dal Chilla batter. I have 1.5 cup of Masoor Dal that has been soaked. It looks nice and fluffy right now and it's really light in color. To this I'm going to add 1 whole green chilli and 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, some salt to taste, adding in a splash of water to help with the grinding process. And now I'm going to grind this in a smooth paste. The batter is ready. It has a nice fine texture. Let's pour it into a bowl and set it aside to rest. Now let's prepare the filling. I'm going to start in a very hot pan with a little bit of oil, 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, 1.5 teaspoon of chopped garlic, 1 green chilli finely chopped. Next I'm adding in 1 chopped onion. This is a very quick filling, can also be used for your sandwiches as well. Let's season this with a little bit of salt. I'm adding in yellow capsicum and red capsicum and saute this for about 30 seconds. I want the capsicum to have a little bit of crunch, so I don't want to overcook it. Next I'm adding in grated paneer. This is half a cup of grated paneer. Stir it till the paneer warms through and cook out any moisture that has been released. Now I'm going to add in my special spice mix. If you want to know how to make the spice mix at home, the recipe will be in the description box below. It's super simple. I'm adding in around 1 teaspoon, but you can add as much as you like. Our stuffing is ready. Now it's time to prepare the chilla. I have a tawa over here that has been heating up for a while. I'm just going to add the batter on it. And using the back of your ladle, start spreading it. It's better to use a non-stick tawa for this. Adding a few drops of oil on the sides. Make sure to cook it from both sides as the chilla is a little thick. Let's loosen the sides and flip it. I'm going to add the stuffing on this side because it is nice and crispy. Add the stuffing on one half of the chilla. Use as much as you like. I'm going to fold the chilla in half. The chilla is nice and toasted from both sides. The filling has also warmed through. Let's remove it on a plate. And I'm going to prepare the next chilla in the same exact way. Adding a few drops of oil. Let's flip it and add stuffing. Serve these chillas nice and hot with a side of chutney or ketchup of your choice. Try this recipe out and let me know how it turns out in the comment section below. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.